Welcome to Capsule Craft Engineering Precision, one capsule at a time. This is the automatic capsule printer machine, your go-to solution for high-speed, high-precision capsule marking. From pharma to nutraceuticals, this machine brings both accuracy and automation to your production line. Capsules are auto-aligned using a vibration-based feeder system, ensuring each one is perfectly positioned. No jams, no delays, just seamless handling from start to finish. With advanced inkjet technology, this machine delivers sharp, smudge-free prints at speeds up to 100,000 capsules per hour. Logos, brand names, or traceability codes all printed with surgical precision. The user-friendly touchscreen interface gives you full control. Adjust font size, alignment, or graphics in seconds. Need multilingual or batch-specific prints? It's all built in. Designed for clean room compatibility, the machine is compact, low noise, and built for 24/7 operation. Low maintenance, high output, zero compromise. From branding to compliance, streamline your capsule production with speed, accuracy, and unmatched efficiency. This is Capsule Craft. Subscribe for more machines that keep your production precise.